Hello everybody, welcome to the first video in my channel. Today I will show you how to change the decimals in the dimensions. So we can see these dimensions which have 4 decimals or maybe more according to the drawing. So instead of clicking on the dimension itself and change it from here, that means we need to change every dimension, but we can do it at the same time. So to do that, we need to write dim style, click enter, and then we will choose a standard and then modify and then primary units. And here we can see the position of the dimensions. It's 4 zeros. So then we need to change it according to what we want. So we change it to 0 and click OK. And when we close, we will see that this position of the dimension will be changed. Now all these dimensions have been changed. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.